this video, I'll be showing you how to log out of Monopoly Go using the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. So if you want to sign out or log out of Monopoly Go, then it's pretty simple. The first thing to do is to open up your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're inside the game. After you are, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner and click on Settings in the expanded menu. Now, under Settings, tap on Connect Account button in green at the bottom. Now, in the pop-up, you'll be able to see these options. To log out of Monopoly Go, simply tap the Disconnect button with the account that you've linked. To disconnect from Apple, tap on the Disconnect button where it shows the Apple logo, and then it'll tell you how you can disconnect or log out using Apple Sign-In. If you want to disconnect from your Facebook, simply tap on the Disconnect button right next to the Facebook logo and tap on Disconnect. And that is how you should be able to log out of Monopoly Go on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.